In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the variable valve timing adjuster magnet on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This has the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. It's going to be located in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to disconnect the connector right here. There's a little lock tab on there. I'm just going to use a pick. Just push that back a little bit. Push down on the tab, slide that off. Now I'm going to use a T30 socket. We're going to take these bolts out. Just go around these pipes. This is going to be loose where the dipstick goes. Down below, if you follow the dipstick tube, there's another screw. We're going to take that screw out. Same T30 socket. Pull that out. The dipstick tube will move out a little further. Pull that screw out. I'll grab the sensor. And just gently pull it outward. Slide it out. I'm just going to take a little fresh engine oil and just lubricate the solenoid. We'll get this to line up. Slide it in place, that's good. And we'll get the screws started. And the bottom screw. Once those are all started, we can tighten those down. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 79 inch-pounds. There we go. Now connect the connector. Push that on, lock that down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.